This is a review of the HOWEASY Portable Power Generator that I would highly recommend. This power generator, by far, it's been one of my favorite accessories to have, especially for emergency situations, and then you're going to see, I'm going to explain to you as to why. This power generator, you can see that it comes with a wall mount charger to charge it up, so you have pretty much three ways to charge it. Number one, you have your wall mount charger. Number two, you have your cigarette lighter for your car, which you could charge it as well too. And number three, it doesn't come with it, but you can also charge it to your solar panel as well too if you have your solar panel. But nonetheless, the HOWEASY Power Generator, for me, it's been working very well for me, and I absolutely love it. You can see here that I'm going to start off by saying that right here, these two outlets right here is for your AC and also for your DCs right over here. So pretty much for this, you could charge your fan, like emergency situations. Let's say, for example, if the lights go out, you could use that to charge your fan, or pretty much any cooler you have to charge it up when the lights go out. You could charge that as well too, and also charge up your phones as well too. And then what I love about it is that also comes with the iPhone 15, a USB power C adapter, so you could charge your iPhone 15 or pretty much any iPhone you own as well too. There's different adapter sets right over here that you could charge it, your DC output and pretty much your DC 2 output as well too. And you can see here my AC, this is the on and off button, so you can have it on and off like that. And also right here, one of the best things I like is that it's also a lamp. So pretty much if the lights go out or pretty much you're in the dark and you can't see anything, this LED is extremely bright, which I'm going to power it on and show you how bright it is. So when I click this button right over here, it should turn on, and it is very bright when I turn it on. So right over here, you have three different settings of the lights. You can see that it's on, and I have my lights on, and you can see that it's very bright. And when I click this button right over here, then it's going to pretty much go even more bright. And you can have it in strobe modes as well too, different type of settings that you can have. You can have it in flash mode, or you can have it on solid mode. But I'm going to turn this off now. And right here, you can see that you have your DC and AC that I'm going to demonstrate and show you guys how well this portable HOWEASY generator works. So you can see right here, I have two fans plugged in, and we're going to press the AC button, which is the on button right here. So we're going to turn this on, and both of these fans will automatically turn on, which is probably about now. And you can see both of them are turned on at the high speed setting. And I would definitely recommend the HOWEASY Portable Power Generator because of how it really is very easy to use. It's very simple to use. There wasn't much anything too difficult about it. It's very easy to operate. You can see here that I also have the battery life, where it shows pretty much the maximum battery. So I'm pretty much at 100% charged, and that's the AC output. So pretty much I'm at 100%, and this is probably one of the best products I ever have, and I would definitely recommend the HOWEASY Power Generator. I also do want to point out that we also have a handlebar, so you could carry this around with you as well too. You can see how portable it is. It's extremely lightweight, small, compact size. And overall, if you are looking for something that you're probably traveling, this is good for travelers, or if you are in an emergency situation, if there's any tropical storms or pretty much any disaster or pretty much anything like that, then this HOWEASY Power Portable Generator would definitely come in use, and I would definitely recommend it. If you are looking for something that pretty much powers up your phones, your ACs, your fans, pretty much this thing powers up pretty much anything, and I would definitely recommend it if you are looking for a small, compact size, portable mini generator, then this is probably one of the best products.